the $10 retirement plan. How is it a different way of looking at your future, of looking at your retirement from just a $10 business? Hi, I'm Carol Rivet. Welcome to my channel. If this helps you, please subscribe, like, and share, of course. Now, I wrote this with chat. I put my thoughts into chat, and because this is a $10 retirement plan and people are missing the potential of this, okay? It's a different way to think about the future. All right, now think about this honestly. Please put away distractions and things and just listen to this for just a couple minutes and see if this makes sense to you, okay? Which sounds easier, saving $300,000 and hoping to earn $1,000 a month interest, or investing 12 months on focused effort? You're investing 12 months of focused effort into building your business and letting it grow into something that could pay you $1,000 a month or potentially more. Let's break it down simply, okay? With Global Domains International, or GDI, your cost is $10 a month. That's $120 for an entire year, okay? Now compare that to saving hundreds of thousands of dollars or even $1 million just to live off the 4% interest. Most people will never accumulate $300,000, let alone $1 million. But many people can commit to $10 a month, learning a system, staying consistent, qualifying for 10 paid referrals through the Smart Rotator. Okay, if you qualify, the Smart Rotator guarantees you get 10 paid GDI referrals. Now, it doesn't give you a time frame that it's going to send the 10 paid referrals. So that's why it's good to look at this in a year's span. Remember, $10 a month or $120 for a whole year. Now this is where it gets interesting. Go look at the GDI calculator and add 10 paid referrals and 10 referrals on levels 2 through 5 also. Okay, this is right here where it's at. This is the income calculator. If you enter 10 there, and then now it may take you more than 10 people to be getting qualified to understand this the way you do. Now, this is not a guarantee you're going to earn this income, but this is the potential, yes, of a $10 company. Okay? This is the income, the GDI income calculator right here. All right? So, take a moment and look at those numbers. Now, okay, in a perfect world, right? But let's not take a perfect world. Ask yourself, what if you earned 1/10 of that projection? 1/10 of this, which is 10%, or over 11,000. Now that's not a guarantee. You can also get into this and earn nothing. Income disclaimer. All right, but think about this. If you were to earn 1/10 of that projection, even 1/10 would still outperform $1 million that you put aside at earning you 4% interest annually. Okay, so what the difference is, you don't need $1 million, you need commitment. This is not get rich quick. This is build patiently, build intentionally. What do you have to do? These are what you have to do. You need to put in the time, stay qualified for getting 10 paid referrals. You need to learn, you need to continue to improve, and you need to keep going for 1 year. Okay? Don't just give this a month. Don't just give this a couple weeks. Don't even bother joining if that's what you're going to do, because it's not going to work. Okay, 1 year, 12 months of qualifying, 12 months of growing, 12 months of not quitting, all for $120 total investment in that year. Now you can only pay $10 a month. They don't have a where you pay the whole year shot. So you only pay the $10 a month, which leads to the $120 a year. Okay, it can be your $10 retirement plan if you treat it like one. Okay, I believe steady effort beats big dreams without actions. The real question is are you willing to give this one focused year? I'm cheering you on. You can click the link below this video. All right. And you can begin your journey on your $10 retirement plan today. Okay. Thank you and God bless. And if you subscribe to my channel and you like and comment below what you like about this plan, okay? I go through and I watch the comments, and when I get new members that have joined me with GDI, I can move them in a 7-day period, and I move them below the people that are commenting, liking, and sharing on my videos because it helps get my YouTube channel out there. If it helps me and you join me, I will help you, okay? Besides the smart rotator. Okay, so think about this. I try to move, as I get the signups, I try to move one person below you a month. All right, think about that. 1 year, that's 12 people. Not all are going to join, but you're also doing the smart rotator. All right, God bless, take care, and comment below.